Dear future generations, in the period of human history in which I am currently living, I see a lot of disputes around nuclear energy. Unfortunately, Germany and Japan recently started to shut down their nuclear plants. Particularly, the German government plans to close all of its nuclear facilities by 2022. You might ask, is that a bad news for humanity? Well, let's see what the facts are telling us.
Here's an interesting table. We are now looking at the main components of the average yearly dose of radiation for a human. Over 50% of the yearly dose is from the atmosphere. Buildings take second place in the ranking, then food, medicine, the cosmos. And there's radiation from nuclear facilities, only 0.1%. Isn't that amazing? An example is the nuclear reactor at MIT. If you are right next to it, the dose meter will show almost no change. But that's not the case if you take a walk in Boston.
In physics, when we talk about something, we have to relate it to other objects. The same applies here. What are 60,000 cancer deaths compared to the 4 million premature deaths caused by little particles as small as 2.5 microns in diameter that cause respiratory diseases and which are the products of fossil fuels? Just imagine how wrong the idea with fossil fuels is.
But atoms also have minuses. There's a problem with nuclear waste and the risk of the accident, right? The fact is that in the not that far future, we accept shortages of petrol and we do not see any new revolutionary renewable energy sources. For that reason, in Asia new reactors are being built and the United States currently upgrading their nuclear facilities. Also, more European countries are taking a new look at nuclear physics, which was rejected earlier. Scientists are currently working on Generation 4 reactors because they know that our grandkids need a place to live that is our lovely planet Earth.
Also, if you watch television for 1 year, then the radiation dose is equivalent to that of a nuclear plant worker for the same period. Isn't that amazing? Again, the question arises, why are people in my generation scared of nuclear power? Well, my answer is that we haven't shown them enough the great ideas of nuclear physics, like the small modular reactor or even the great impact nuclear power has on our environment. It's my mission to reduce this ignorance in our contemporary society. In conclusion,
We truly believe that we need atoms
for the future.